Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Monday, the 17th of February. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather turning wet again. We'll see rain beginning tonight. We'll have periods of rain right on through midweek. Let's check it out. Upper air look, trough pushing a cold front down this way. That will start the rain across the region tonight. Temperatures this morning are in the 30s and 40s. Haleyville 35, Birmingham 44. We'll expect a high in the 60s today. Pretty decent warm-up. There's the watch warning map, a relatively quiet day for the country. And again, we note those areas in green. Those are river flood warnings for parts of the Tennessee River up in North Alabama and the Warrior and the Tombigbee in West Alabama. At Demopolis, the level this morning is about 85 feet. The flood stage there, 68 feet. So there's water everywhere. Levels should finally begin to fall on the Tombigbee at Demopolis later this week. Good news, don't expect any severe storms this week. This is the severe weather outlook for tonight. There could be a rumble of thunder tonight, but no severe weather expected. This is tomorrow, same thing, a chance of thunder, but no severe storms. And on day 3, which is Wednesday, any thunder at that point should be confined to the South Atlantic coast. Rain for the next 7 days. Once again, we're getting our fair share. For much of the state, rain amounts between 2 and 3 inches this week. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the 06E run, 3 o'clock this afternoon, troughing north and west of the state. And again, the day today should be dry. We warm up nicely. We'll be in the 60s. Probably a lot of clouds around, but maybe some sun at times. This is tonight at midnight, coming off the high-res NAM, showers moving into West Alabama. And the rain becomes widespread by tomorrow. This is tomorrow afternoon at 3, rain over much of north and central Alabama. In advance of that front, here's the synoptic scale look. The front still pretty far north of the state. But again, you might hear some thunder, but we don't expect any severe weather, and it should be a fairly mild day. Highs tomorrow, I'd say, between 67 and 70. Now, this is Wednesday, and the GFS showing nothing here. And again, I think a decent chunk of the day probably dry, but I do think clouds linger, and there could be a speck of light rain around with that front stalling out just south of us. And the high will likely drop into the 50s. And then Thursday, a wave forms on the front, and we go wet again. That's going to be a cold rain. Most likely we stay in the 40s all day Thursday with periods of rain. And then Friday, we finally get a good push of dry air. The sky becoming sunny. The high will be close to 50. And Saturday looking good as the weekend begins. Sky should be sunny. We start the day around freezing. The high in the mid to upper 50s, and Sunday, we'll call it partly sunny. Maybe showers north of here. The high will be in the low 60s. This is a week from today, Monday the 24th, troughing approaching and rain moving in on that day. Let's go out 10 days, Wednesday the 26th, again troughing to the west, and another rain-producing system. It's a very active pattern for the Deep South. This is the rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble. The mean, the green line, almost 4 inches over the next 15 days. Temperatures, you can see the numbers coming down over the latter half of the week, but then they go back up in the 60s early next week. And the numbers coming off the CPC outlook. This is for the 24th of February through the 1st of March. Very cold in the west. Temperatures here near, maybe a little below average, with relatively mild weather for the northeast United States. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. You can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.